Hi, this is Radar Roy from RadarRoy.com, and I'm introducing to you today the new ZR4 laser jammer from Cincinnati Mircowave. Cincinnati Mircowave is a subsidiary of Escort Incorporated, also Beltronics, and they're just coming out with the ZR4 laser jammer. I'm very excited to tell you about this laser jammer. We're also going to be going out on the test track today and doing some tests with this laser jammer. But first, let me tell you what you're going to get when you purchase one of these laser jammers. Of course, one of the devices you're going to be getting are two laser jammer heads. The laser jammer heads, these are the two front laser jammer heads, and these would mount in the front of your vehicle. You'll notice on the side, these are the new mounting brackets that Escort's using. It comes with this type of jammer mounting bracket, which is a ratchet type of design that you can mount on a lip or a bumper of your vehicle, and also comes with a secondary mount that I've used in this install today of this Toyota Sequoia. A second, or actually a third laser jammer head that you'll be getting is a laser jammer head for the rear of the vehicle. This is mounts directly to the license plate. You'll see the two holes that mount on the license plate. And you just run this cable back into your controller box. Now, I've heard of a lot of people that have the notion, hey, if the two laser jammer heads in the front of the vehicle are good, a third laser jammer head would even be better. And they decide or make to mount this third laser jammer head, the rear laser jammer head, to the front of their vehicle. We've done some testing with this and found that the rear laser jammer head does not sync up at the same pulse rate as the front laser jammer heads. And by doing this, we lessen the performance because we now have the front laser jammer head syncing at a different frequency rate than the rear jammer heads. So by having all three of them up front, we reduced our jamming capability. So I don't recommend mounting this laser jammer to the front with your other two laser jammers. Is the display module. And this display module, you typically would glue to the bottom of your dashboard with some double-sided tape or mount it with some other type of mounting equipment. And this plugs into the control head. The control head is a little box that you mount underneath your dash. All these little plugs, these RJ11 plugs, would all mount inside the control head. And that control head then is powered up by plugging it into your fuse box. Now, I want to direct your attention to the install we did earlier today on this Toyota. And there's a few things that really need to impress upon when you install the laser jammers on your vehicle. First off, you need to make sure that the laser jammer heads are square, that you do not have one pointing off too far to the left or one point too far out to the center. So what I do is I usually get a straight edge and make sure that the laser jammer heads, both of them that are mounted up front, are square with each other. The second thing is very important, is to get a level and to make sure that the jammer heads are level. Now, Escort's manual, or Cincinnati Mircowave's manual, says that the laser jammer heads should be no more than 5 degrees. We did some testing and we found that to get truly the best performance and the best jamming from these laser jammer heads, that you shouldn't be any more have an angle greater than 3% or 3 degrees. Even at 5 degrees, we had some difficulty in jamming the Stalker Laser Gun. The Stalker Laser Gun is perhaps one of the most difficult laser jammers to jam. By getting these level within 2 degrees, we really picked up the performance. So really take your time, get a good level, and get these properly leveled and properly set up. It takes you a little extra time, but the leveling is probably the most critical part of your install. On our airstrip right now, this airstrip's over a half-mile long, and what we've been doing now is testing the new ZR4 laser jammer up against various laser guns. This is the Stalker Laser Gun. Typically this has been the most difficult laser gun for any LED laser jammer to jam. We have our Toyota Sequoia that's up the road. It's white. White's a very difficult color to jam. It's also an SUV. SUVs are more difficult to jam. So we have one of the most difficult vehicles to jam with the most difficult laser gun to jam. So we can see how it's going to perform. Okay, we have the car. We have the SUV coming toward us, the Toyota Sequoia. It's over 1,000 feet away. It's coming at us. We don't have any signal now at all. We're getting E4 errors. Okay. We didn't get our first reading on that Toyota until the range was 185 feet away at a speed of 40 miles an hour. Many of the other laser guns that we've been testing, such as the Laser Atlanta, both in stealth and non-stealth mode, we're getting jammed to gun. The LTI laser guns, we're getting also very good range, very low punch-through rates. The custom laser guns, also very low punch-through rates. For right now, I'm going to say this ZR4 laser jammer is the laser jammer to beat for the LED laser jammers. Cincinnati Mircowave has put a lot of effort into developing this new gun. We worked with them quite closely in giving them some recommendations, and Escort's really stepped to the bat with Cincinnati Mircowave in the development of this new laser jammer. Thumbs up, guys. You did a great job. Thank you for visiting me here at RadarRoy.com. If you're interested in this product or any of other products, please visit us here on RadarRoy.com or our website, RadarBusters.com. Have a great day, and thank you.